Hello children, let us start our first lesson, the strange land. Okay, the strange land. Okay, our first lesson is the strange land. See, before starting the lesson, you can see there is a warm-up activity. Open your textbook, page number 7. Okay, warm-up activity is there. We have to do this. Okay, read the clues and fill in the crosswords with the adventure-related words given in the box. See, you can see here are some words. 6 words are there. Okay, excited, explorer, journal, endurance, challenge, excursion. These words are in the box and it is related to adventure, and by using these words we have to fill this crossword. Okay, and see, there are some clues down, across. Okay, let us read down clues. A written record of the things you do and see every day. It is a written record and we see it every day. It is looking like a book. Okay, it is looking like a book. You can see here pictures. Okay, by seeing the pictures you can easily identify what is the answer, first answer. Okay, see, a new or difficult task that tests somebody's ability and skill. Okay, it is a difficult task, and for checking somebody's skill we give this task to we give some task for for someone. For those tasks we it is like challenge. Okay, and a person who travels to unknown places in order to find out more about them. A person one who go to unknown places and they will try to find more about that place. What we call such kind of persons. Okay, see, these are the clues. Actually, what you have to do for fill this correctly, you have to check the meanings of these words. Actually, meanings are given downside as clues. Okay, but you don't know which is the right meanings for each if you search each word's meaning in a dictionary or a Google, you can search, right, and find out the meanings and you can easily fill it. Okay, let us see across clues. The ability to do something difficult for a long time. What we call for that word is the answer of fourth question. Okay, if a short journey made for pleasure, especially one that has been organized for a group of people. It is a short journey. It is made for happiness, and that has been on. For example, we go for it from our school. What we call for that? Okay, feeling or showing happiness and enthusiasm. Feeling happiness and enthusiasm. Okay, actually only one way to do this activity. You have to find the meanings of these words. Easily you can fill it. Okay, fill it and send to me, and the answer I will be sending in the group. Not today, next day. After getting your answers, I will send you the right answer. Okay. Okay, turn over the page number 8. Let us start the lesson. Okay, see the story so far. Dorothy lived in Kansas with her uncle, aunt, and their dog Toto. One day, a cyclone picked up their house with Dorothy and Toto inside and placed it in a strange fantasy land. Small men called Munchkins inhabited the land. When Dorothy got out of the house, she came to know that the Munchkins were very troubled by the wicked witch of East. The friendly witch of the North came up to Dorothy and informed her that her house had landed on the wicked witch of the North, wicked witch of the East, killing her. She gifted Dorothy the wicked witch's silver slippers. Dorothy asked how she could get back home. The witch of the North told her to ask the Wizard of Oz, who lived in the Emerald City. See, this is a story of small girl and her name is Dorothy. Okay, her name is Dorothy, and actually total story is not there. Okay, the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. The story, actually the real story is the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. From that story only few part is given here. Okay, and actually Dorothy is a small girl, and Dorothy lived in Kansas with her uncle, aunt and their dog Toto. Where did Dorothy live? Dorothy lived in Kansas. It is a city. Okay, Kansas. And she was living with her uncle, aunt. And there is a dog, and the dog's name is Toto. One day a cyclone. Cyclone means a wind, strong wind is there, no, called a cyclone. Okay, a cyclone picked up their house with Dorothy and Toto inside and placed in a strange land. You just imagine, it is just a story, it is not real. Okay, it is story. So you have to listen me in that mind only. Okay. A cyclone, a strong wind came and picked their house into a strange, picked their house to a strange land. That time, who was there inside? Dorothy and Toto. Only Dorothy and Toto were inside the house. And now that house and Dorothy and Toto, they are in a strange land. They don't know that place. They are alone there now. Okay. And placed in a strange land, strange fantasy land. Small men called Munchkins inhabited the land. When Dorothy got out of the house, she came to know that Munchkins were very troubled by the wicked witch of the East. And there are, that is a fantasy land. There are some people, some people are living in that land. They are called Munchkins. Munchkins, they are short peoples. They are not tall like us. They are short peoples, and these people are living in that land. After when she came out of the house, no, she saw that she is in a new place, in a strange land, and Munchkins are living here. And these Munchkins, they are very troubled by wicked witch of East, which means, you know, Mandravadini, I think in Kannada you say, witch. Okay, she is, these Munchkins are troubled. They are getting more problems because of wicked witch of East. Okay, wicked witch of East. The friendly witch of the North came up to Dorothy and informed her that her house had landed on the wicked witch of East, killing her. And she, one witch came to Dorothy. That who came? Wicked witch of North came. Wicked witch of East is very bad. Means it is a cruel witch. Who? Wicked witch of East. Now wicked witch of North came. Wicked witch of North is a good witch. Okay, wicked witch of East is giving trouble to all the peoples. And now wicked witch of North came to Dorothy and said, means a good witch. came to Dorothy and said, your house is in the land of the witch of East.